Hello, everybody. Welcome to Yeju English. Okay, our lesson for today is about verb tenses. All right, let's start our lesson for today. In English, verb tenses tell us when an action happens and how it happens. There are four main types of tenses actions. First is simple tense. Simple tense actions that happen regularly, general truths or facts, and actions that are not continuous. All right, for example, I eat breakfast every day. Okay. This sentence shows a habit because the action happens regularly. All right, and then the second sentence is the sun rises in the east. This sentence states a general truth that is always true. Okay, and the third sentence is she lives in Seoul. All right, it's a state or situation that is true for a period of time. All right, next. Simple tenses shows habits, facts, and routines. All right, that's all for the simple sentence. Next is continuous tense. Continuous tense is an actions that are happening now, actions that are ongoing or temporary. All right, for example, I am studying English now. Okay, this sentence shows an action that is happening at the moment of speaking. All right, next is the second sentence. They are playing outside. Okay, this sentence show an action that is ongoing right now. Next, the third sentence is she was cooking dinner. Okay, it shows on action that was in progress in the past. Okay, and continuous tense shows an actions in progress. Okay, that's all for continuous tense. Next is the perfect tense. Perfect tense is an actions that were completed before a certain time. It's focused on the result of the action. For example, I have finished my homework. Okay, this sentence shows an action that is already completed, and the result is important now. Okay, and let's proceed to the second sentence. She had left before the rain started. Okay, this sentence shows an action that was completed before another past action. Okay, next is the third sentence. They have visited Japan. This sentence shows a past experience without saying exactly when it happened. Okay, and the perfect tense shows completed actions with importance to time. Next, the last tense is perfect continuous tense. Perfect continuous tense is an actions that were ongoing and continued until a certain time, and it emphasizes the duration of the action. For example, I have been studying for 2 hours. Okay, this sentence shows an action that started in the past and continued until now, focusing on how long it lasted. Okay, next is the second sentence. She had been working all day. This sentence shows an action that continued for a long time before another past actions. Alright, next is the third sentence. They have been waiting since morning. Okay, it emphasizes the duration of the action, not just the result. Alright, and perfect continuous tense shows how long an action happened. Okay, and for a very simple reminder, simple tense is a habit or fact, and the continuous tense is happening right now. Okay, and the perfect tense is already finished, and the last tense is a perfect continuous. Perfect continuous is finished but continued for some times. Okay, that's all for the tenses. See you to our next lesson. Goodbye.